Welcome to this new episode of the Siren Video Bytes series, where I provide insider tips and tricks on Siren most popular features. Hi everyone, I am Davide, a data scientist here at Siren. In today's byte, I'm going to focus on maritime security and risk analysis, and I'm going to show you how Siren can really help protect assets like underwater cables and ports, and gather intel on specific vessel ahead of the Coast Guard intervention. Let's dive in. So this is our vertical around maritime security and risk analysis. As you can see here on the left sides, we have a lot of different sources. So for example, AIS Monitoring. AIS stands for Automatic Identification System, which is basically the geolocation of vessels that need to send their position to comply with security standards. Then we have multiple entities like vessels, person, organizations, and maritime events like encounter, port registration, and so far and so on. Here we can see that we have around 100,000 vessels for 26 million vessel positions. And imagine that filtering one by one, checking their position and cross-referencing data with all the sources would be very long and tiring job. So with Siren, we created this Siren Vessel Risk panel. And what you can do here, you can, for example, rearrange layers and also check where are your assets, like cables or landing points. And when you basically create a geofilter around a certain area, Siren will search for you potential dangerous vessels that are around the area and gather intel for you. So you just have to press calculate risk. And as you can see, we found one potential dangerous vessel where we have a total of 80% of risk. And how this is computed real quick, we have multiple external vendors that provide us information around specific vessel, and we cross-reference this data with our internal sources. In this case, this comes from Anti-Money Laundering Index, Corruption Perception Index score, the encounters that the vessel make, if they are authorized or not. And here you can expand and see the breakdown of the risks. Open the vessel overview. You can check all the linked item. So for example, I could actually look at where is the ship now. I can see all the vessels that this ship encountered. We see a lot of Chinese vessels, for example, here. We can see all the ports where the ship was recorded, and as well where it disabled the geolocation. So this sometimes means that the vessel potentially could have done something fishy, like one of the encounter, for example. If I want to even do further analysis, I can simply click Add to Graph. The vessels is added to the graph, and if I move to the map, I can see and enable the timeline. I can see, for example, all the ports that he visited in this time period. Or I can select, for example, here we can see that he disabled the GPS close to an encounter with the Justin Foss. So if I want to see details about this encounter, I can simply expand these two and continue my analysis. So this is more or less what I wanted to show you in this byte. And in the next byte, probably we're going to explore more how we can create watcher and alerts around specific area or on specific vessel to keep our ports secure. So in this short byte, we showed an example of how Siren can really help improve maritime security thanks to smart automation and AI. So I hope you guys like the content. Hit the bell. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.